In this video, we'll see how we can create banners using Elementor. The first thing always keep in your mind, if you're creating custom pages using Elementor, always use Hello Elementor theme. Now let's go on pages. We will create home page. Click on edit, then go with edit with Elementor. Click on add new, select flexbox single. Okay, this is our flexbox. Now we will add, go on background image, go here, select image, need to upload the image that we use in banners. Click on add. Here, this is my image. Okay, now what we want to create a banner. For that, we need to add heading, text, button. Click on add, click on container. We will add container in it. What will the width? Width will be 50%. And then we will add left margin in percentage up to 40% so that the content will be aligned on right side. Here you can see. Now I will add heading. Then after that we will add text. Okay, we have added it. Now let's style it. We will be creating simple banner. Yeah. First let's add some margin padding. Let's add padding of 50 at least. And from top I will add more. Top and bottom to increase the height of banner. And in banner, go on style, set as center, then display size cover. We have added it. Now let's style the heading. What will be the heading? Healthy. Let's style the banner, color, text, typography. Go on typography. First we'll select the font that will look much more better. Font size, fresh and healthy. Then change the text here. First we'll change the color. White will look much more visible. Let's also style it. Change the text, typography, whatever you need, you can change from here. Now there is button. You can style the button as per your need. Like I will change it to white and the text as black. Fresh and healthy this and this. You can change the color of it as per your need. The very simple banner you can view in full width also. Fresh and healthy. There is very decent one, nothing much more. You can style as more as per your need. Let's go on desktop view and see how it is looking. It's not looking that good. So what we will do, we will increase the width here 80% and then remove the left margin up to only 10%. 20 not, at least 30. 30. Go here. Now also decrease the padding as per your need. I will say 20. Now go to mobile view here. In mobile view, it's not looking even. Anything is not visual. You can see. We need to style it full. First, remove the left align. Then we will decrease the font size 50 or 60 as per need. Then what we'll do, here you can see. Now change the layout of background image where go on style here. Center. I will change the position to center left. Here you can see. Now you can see the visible. Now here you can see it's visible, but here you can see there is not visible. So what we will add? We'll add a background overlay to make it look much more clear. What you can do, you can add like a background and change this color to white here. Mobile banner, this is here desktop, the tablet, and this is desktop. You can easily create and design style banner in Elementor as per your need. I have shown you the basic need how we can create banner. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.